Hey y'all, I come to show y'all I'm about to wash some clothes in this portable washer. It'll be good for kids in college, people that lives in campers, or a lot of people live in their cars, the trucks, or campers because that's what they choose to do. So this would be perfect. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna put some clothes in here. This is the stuff from what I wore to work this week. All right, and now I gotta fill it up with water. I could set it in the tub and just fill it up with water, but I'm gonna just fill it up while it's right here. So, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put some detergent in here. And I'm gonna put more water. All right, we have enough water, so now let's turn it on. So it got a timer, 15 minutes. And we doing, okay, wash, spin, off. It's on off, we can put it to wash, and we can put the timer to 15. Oh, I think I put too much water in. Something going on. Oh. Oh, I did put too much water. But that's okay. Next time I know. And you can open it. And see your clothes washing. Yeah, I put too much water. But anyway, get some more detergent.